Hello, I'm Dr. Amin. Let's talk about the breast lift, a procedure designed to restore the shape and position of the breasts. Aging, weight changes, and pregnancy can cause sagging in many women's breasts. A breast lift, or mastopexy, is a great way to refresh your look and boost your confidence. This procedure reshapes and lifts the breasts. It removes excess skin and tightens the surrounding tissue. It can improve breast shape and reposition the nipples to a more youthful, natural position. The goal is to create a firm, uplifted look that complements your body. For women wanting more volume, a breast lift can be done with implants. This combination enhances both the shape and size of the breasts. If you're happy with your breast volume but want to fix sagging, a lift alone can help. In our consultation, we'll discuss your goals. Then we'll find the best approach for you. Safety is my top priority. During the procedure, I use general anesthesia to ensure your comfort. My advanced techniques are designed to minimize scarring and maximize results. Together, we'll create a customized plan to restore balance and beauty to your breasts. A breast lift is not just for looks, it's to help you feel comfortable and confident in your skin. This procedure suits your unique needs. It can give you a subtle refinement or a more dramatic change. Recovery after a breast lift is a crucial part of achieving the best results. After surgery, you'll wear a supportive bra or compression garment. This helps reduce swelling, supports the breasts, and promotes proper healing. I'll give you detailed post-op instructions. They will include how to care for your incisions and when to take your medications. For the first few weeks, avoid heavy activities and lifting over 10 pounds. This will allow your body to heal and reduce the risk of complications. Sleeping at a slight incline can help. It improves comfort and reduces swelling during recovery. Most patients can return to light work and daily activities within 1 to 2 weeks, depending on their job. However, full recovery can take several weeks to months. I'll guide you through every step to ensure a safe and smooth healing process. The results of a breast lift are long-lasting. By maintaining a stable weight and a healthy lifestyle, you can enjoy your new look for many years. Many patients find the procedure transformative. It allows them to feel more confident in their clothing and their appearance.